It's another day of saving bees and saving lives. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit like, and share.
Greetings, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Zatu, the beekeeper, your favorite beekeeper. Today, we have an emergency call from a local construction company. They've got a major bee problem that's literally stopping work. We are heading in now to perform a live, safe, and professional bee removal. Let's get it. That's the access point right behind this external air conditioning unit. This is a very common spot, offering a great protection from the elements. As you can see, the activity is intense. Before we start, we always do a full assessment. We need to figure out the size of the colony and how deep it goes, and also prepare our smokers, our equipment, get suited up, get all the equipment we need, including our bee vac, so that we can vacuum our bees safely. And this isn't a regular shock vac. It's a specially designed low suction system that gently guides the bees into a safe chamber. As you can see, we're starting now to wow, just look at the size of this nest. Ooh. This colony has been here for a while. They are very successful. As we set up our beevac closer to the nest, and then we start noticing how healthy this colony is with plenty of resources stored up, and give them a little bit of smoke. We use the vac to collect majority of the bees, including the queen if we find it, to safely transport them later on. For the careful part, which is removing the comb, we are looking for three things here: the honeycomb, pollen comb, and the brood comb. That's where the next generation of bees is growing. We need to be delicate at this part, especially the brood part.
Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit like, and share.
This is the part where we are extra careful when cutting the combs, especially the brood combs, because it is also in one line or what is built in the same comb with the honey. So we need to cut it extra careful, and we need to be extra gentle. So we separate the brood combs, which are the baby bees, from the honey. You can see this nest had a very beautiful nest, filled with so much honey. And now that we have removed the major parts of the combs, they are out. We do touch-ups, the final inspection. These are the remaining stranglers. We vacuum them also. And finally, they are inside the bee vac. As you can see them inside the bee vac there. And now what's left is just to scrape off the remaining pieces of the broods. And that's a wrap. The area is clean, secured, and ready for construction crew to get back to work. Remember, don't spray, relocate. If you have a bee problem, call a professional. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next removal.